In this video, I am very simply and quickly explaining the features of Chrome Music Lab arpeggio program. So let's get into it right away. All right, Chrome Music Lab, this is the arpeggio program. You can navigate your way to it on the internet, and the link will be below the video. And let me show you some of the features of this. You simply click on the chord you want. If I wanted a C chord, click on that, press play. If I want to slow it down or speed it up, click on the thing and I can speed it up as fast as I like. When you're done adjusting the speed, simply click on simply click on this and I'm at my new tempo. This right button changes the arpeggio that I'm using. Here's a different one. Variation number 3, long notes. Variation number 4, quick notes up and down, starting at high and moving up and down. And the last one, 2 notes at a time, playing very quickly, although I simply could slow it down if I wanted to. All right, let's move it back up, click back off on that, and let's pause it now. I'm going to use the back arrow here to take me back to that first arpeggio that we had. I also can change the voice. Here's the harp, and I can change it to piano if you like. I like the harp a little bit better. All right, so you simply play on the chords that you want. The major chords are on the outside, C major. The minor chords are on the inside, A minor. These are all minor chords, and these are major. And you can have fun playing around with the different chords. You simply click on a chord and press play. You don't even have to stop it. You want an F chord, F minor? How about F major? D major, B minor, whatever chord you want. Oh, I want a different variety? All right, A minor, there we go. Simple as that. This can be used in so many different ways. It can be used to learn to play melodies. It can be learned to hear chord progressions in a particular key. You can learn it, you can use it to write songs. You can use it to do vocal exercises, or you can reinforce your memorization of the circle of fifths, which is that colorful wheel that you have on the screen. Okay, I have a longer video also included here, and so if you want more information about how to use this with songwriting or increasing your musicality or learning to play melodies on your instrument, watch that longer video and I'll give you more detail there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.